Well, hello everyone. I want to take a moment and wish you the greatest holiday seasons and a most amazing new year. I'm really excited to talk with you right now because I've had so many questions and I've had so many people that are concerned about overcoming their negative mindset and being able to get unstuck. And so what I've done is I've developed a brand new program that's designed specifically to give you the science-backed tools where you can utilize them to rewire your brain for high performance. And so no longer do you feel like you're listening to this person that continues to find fault in everything, including yourself. And you're also recognizing that, these mindsets of being stuck are simply mindsets. It's not really that you're stuck, it's that you've convinced yourself you have. So we're going to provide the tools necessary for you to be able to overcome this. And also I'm going to be offering live coaching, group coaching, which is really where the difference goes. So here's what I want you to think about. For those first 15 that sign up, I've got a gift for you, a bonus gift. And it's absolutely, really very powerful. And this is what it is. You'll be able to receive an additional coaching session. And that's going to be absolutely amazing because this is where we have the opportunity to get really down from the generic element down to the micro and get into what you're facing and what you are finding to be the obstacles that are keeping you from having the life that you want. So through neuroscience, we're going to learn how to thrive and make 2025 not just a wish, not just an imagining, and not a list of that you're going to write in January of how amazing 2025 is going to be, only to find out that none of those become a reality for you. We're going to learn the neuroscience and the cognitive psychology that makes all the difference and gets down to the core beliefs. So I'm really looking forward to the opportunity to work together with you and offer you the tools, skills, exercises necessary to make those wishes, if you will, those wonderments about wouldn't it be nice if, and let's learn how to turn those into reality. So thank you for your time. Have an amazing rest of your year and a most wonderful new one. I look forward to seeing you soon. Rather than looking back at the end of the year, only be discouraged by all the things we didn't accomplish, go ahead and join me and make sure that 2025 is where we get unstuck. We change the negativity into confidence and courage, and we take the neuroscience and we learn to thrive instead of just surviving. And together, we can make it the most phenomenal year you've ever experienced in your life. First 15 to sign up will get an additional live coaching session, group coaching session with me, where really you get into the fine tuning of what you're dealing with and recognizing the information necessary to go beyond that and have that type of life that may now be only a dream. So let's turn dreams into reality. Go ahead and sign up, and I look forward to seeing you. Take care.